very much. Ethan, you can read. Come here and read. And priest, prepare as we welcome the preacher.
Good afternoon, my name is Ethan, and our reading comes from the book of Mark, chapter 14, verse 1 to 9, and it goes like this. It was now 2 days. It was now 2 days before the Passover and the feast of unleavened bread, and the chief priests and the scribes were seeking how to arrest him and kill him. For they said, not during the feast, lest there be an uproar from the people. And when he was at Bethany in the house of Simon the leper, as he was reclining at the table, a woman came with an alabaster flask of ointment of pure nard, very costly, and she broke the flask and poured it over his head. There are some who say to themselves indignantly, why was the ointment wasted like that? For this ointment could have been sold for more than 300 denarii and given to the poor. They scolded her, but Jesus said, leave her alone. Why do you trouble her? She has done a beautiful thing to me, for you always have the power with you, and whenever you want, you can do good for them, but you will not always have me. She has done what she could. She has anointed my body beforehand for burial, and truly, I say to you, wherever the gospel is proclaimed in the whole world, what she has done will be told in memory of her. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God. Our preacher this afternoon is the Bishop of the Diocese of Nairobi. We are only hosts as the Diocese of Thika. And in order to welcome our brother, Bishop Joel, to minister to us, shall we all rise as we sing the hymn to be led by the priest.